Welcome to this video on census and sample surveys, crucial tools in both academic and social work research. Today, we'll understand what they are, their origins, how they differ, and their specific relevance in the Indian context. A census refers to the complete enumeration of every individual in a population. Governments conduct it periodically, usually every 10 years. It helps in planning services like education, healthcare, infrastructure, and welfare policies. In contrast, a sample survey involves collecting data from a representative group of individuals. It's less resource intensive and allows researchers to make statistically valid generalizations about the larger population. The origins of the census can be traced back to ancient Babylon around 3800 BCE. In modern history, England's Domesday Book from 1086 is a landmark. On the other hand, the idea of the sample survey was first mathematically explored by Pierre Simon Laplace in the 18th century. It gained popularity in the 20th century with advancements in statistical theory. In India, the first census was attempted in 1872. However, it was in 1881 that the first synchronous and scientific census took place. Since then, India has conducted a census every decade. The census process is managed by the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. This table shows the key differences between a census and a sample survey. While a census is comprehensive and highly accurate, it is also costly and time-consuming. Sample surveys are quicker and cheaper but must be carefully designed to ensure accuracy. In social work research, both tools play important roles. Census data informs us about broad national indicators. Sample surveys help us dig deeper into community-specific issues. As social workers and researchers, we rely on both to understand and intervene in society meaningfully. Let's pause here for a quick recap and test your understanding. Question 1. Who developed the concept of sample surveys in the 18th century? Question 2. In which year was India's first synchronous census held? And question 3. What is a key advantage of sample surveys over the traditional census? Now, reflect on the subjective question. How can both census data and sample surveys support social work research? Think about areas like community needs assessments, poverty mapping, and service delivery planning. Take a moment to answer these questions. And don't forget to share your responses in the comments below if you're watching this on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Research with Bhupendra for more insightful content on research methods in social work.